Welcome to another episode of Rent, Own, and Grow. Check this out.
Yo!
House or condo? Dave, I want to ask you a question that comes up often because individuals have different wants and needs, concerns, and that's why it's important for us to talk and help you make a good informed decision. In this case, if I own my own property, a single family in Fall River, I pay my own property taxes, my property's insurance, I do the maintenance, water and sewage, I cut the grass, I take out the snow, the trash, all that. How does it work in a condo?
So condo's different, right? So they're all a little bit different. But this one, we'll use this one as an example. So the condo fee is $173 a month, okay? Yeah. Oh my God, right? Really, it's not that bad because when you think about it, that condo fee covers your water sewer bill, covers your exterior maintenance, covers most of the taxes, right? Because you're only paying your taxes only for your unit, right? So that covers everything else. Master insurance, the roof gets a leak, you don't have to deal with it. They deal with it, everything. So when you look at that, right? So we made a little handy chart with my chicken scratch. But house, you pay for everything, and some months you'll come out ahead, right? Some months you won't. Okay, different advantages. Some people like that, some people don't. Condo, fixed price. Obviously over time everything gets more expensive. That's just inflation. But right now it's $173, and it takes care of these things that you would pay anyway. So getting back to the value proposition that we made before, you can own the same amount of square footage in Fall River for 75 grand less. Your monthly bills are essentially the same, right? And you don't have to deal with anything. So.
As a young, busy professional, I might not have time to do all this maintenance, so paying that fee creates a lot of convenience for me. I come to my home, it's my space, things are taken care of. I can move on with my life as I continue to scale up.
Hey, if you're elderly and you're downsizing, you know what I mean? You don't want to deal with that.
That's huge.
Yeah, you're a snowbird. Half the year you're in Florida, half the year you're in Massachusetts. That's awesome. I can't wait till that's me. You know what I mean? But same thing. You don't have to deal with it. I sell a lot of condos to people that do that. Anything. I mean, really works for anyone. It just depends on what you want.
Exactly. So that's where we got to sit down, talk about your goals. Where do you see yourself in 3, 5, 7 years? And we have the tools and the resources to help you make those informed decisions. Rent, own, grow.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.